weeks, I take much more effort in English for better conversation. So I prefer to watch Hollywood movies like English movies. If any movies in is English and the content of that movie is good, so I watch that movie.
Okay. So whenever you try to watch a Hollywood movie, like we can say any clip, anything. So how do you pick a sentence? How do you, pick a
Yeah, yeah,
answer? I mean, we can say story. How do
uh,
you improve yourself
yeah,
from this kind
yeah.
of? Yeah.
I tell you that when watch any Hollywood movies, you know that the you means any foreigners, then their accent are different. You can face many difficulty to understand what he can say. So first you open your subtitle. Okay,
Yeah.
that in any web series or any movie, that he can say, you if you don't understand, then you read it in a subtitle. If any word you don't know, any word you cannot remember what is the meaning of that word, you searched about in a Google or a Google translator. When you searched about it on that word, you note it down in a copy or the synonym of the word, and make its on that word, make a sentence on that word. So it is very good. And try to watch full movie, not some parts are have you watch for 14 to 15 minutes, then get bored, so you quit it. So this is not helpful. You can watch full movie. If you watch any web series or movie, you can watch full.
Yeah, you're right. Absolutely. If I tell you, like, whenever we try to watch a Hollywood movie, so that moment we will get an idea. We can learn from subtitle wordings. We can learn from situation. We can learn from like pronunciation, new vocabulary, and we can copy that actor and actress what they are trying to tell. How to they create an atmosphere? How to deliver a dialogue, so we
Yeah,
can copyright over there, we can learn many things about movies. And if I tell you
yeah,
one TV series, American TV series, we can say maybe you heard about Friends. This is so
friends,
popular American TV series. Friends, 5 to
friends.
6 character, yeah, Friends. Do you know
Yeah,
Friends?
yeah.
Maybe you heard
Uh,
about.
yeah, I heard about it, but I don't watch this movie. You tell me, then I definitely watch the
Over there what
series.
happened, brother, like Friends, why I'm telling a Friends, TV series, show, because they try to create a atmosphere, good environment, we can say like drama, family conversation, and they try to use like more and more about English. That's why reason this TV show, it's like based for learning English language,
This is
based for.
this is available on Netflix or Amazon Prime.
Yeah, you can get I think Netflix, you can get from
Okay, okay.
Netflix. Okay. And
I searched about it. You watch a very famous web series, Hannah. Hannah is very famous web series on Amazon Prime. It is
yes,
7.6 IMD rating. It is very good movie, good web series.
yeah, actually I watch a movie, not TV series. I watch a movie. One of girl, she was I think small girl, based on
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
small girl.
Yeah, yeah, a
Yeah,
small girl, and his mother is dead for some peoples, and
yeah.
then when he gets small, then after 14 to 15 years, he prepare how can he kill.
So and
mm,
became a like agent about she tried to work with like USA force and some kind of agent.
yeah, yeah,
Watch this kind of movie series. It was amazing movie, Hannah. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. And I also try to read a newspaper, because it is also very helpful. Because when you try a newspaper like the Times of India, first we read it. There are many difficulties you face, because if you read first line, then the difficulty face. But when you practice daily to read the newspaper, and try to find out which word you don't know. So try to write down on in a copy which word in a newspaper you don't know.
Yeah.
So write in this
So that,
copy, and yeah,
yeah, what
and
happened? Talk about myself. Like I have a one software, I have a one application I install in my cell phone, like short news. Over there, every morning I try to read an article, short article. I do not prefer to like more article, more story, and like presently paper pattern. I don't like that. Always I try to short article. And I read a short article, we can say scroll down one topic, one story, one video, like that. So we can say over there I try to learn some words, some story, some new things. But
so yes.
I hate the news, seriously. I don't prefer to reading a news. Yeah.
So if find out where the short stories I find out where I
Okay.
can
So
find this.
yeah, of course I'm going to tell you. Like if you interest about to read an article, short article, so just go to Play Store, write down short news. Then you will get a one kind of red logo. Then try to install this application, and every day just try to use this kind of
Yeah,
application.
definitely,
You will
definitely.
get a more knowledge, more information about like what's going on in world, in our country, COVID-19, anything. You will get a information from short application through short news. Yeah. And you will never go over there, because they use a simple sentence, they try to make a simple story and very short news, we can say like maybe 5 to 6 line, that's it. Yeah, so that's why reason
So
I
I,
short
I
article.
definitely download this app and try to learn how to learn about this app, because you say that only 5 to 6 lines daily. So why I can read about. So if there is important knowledge for me, so I
So brother,
definitely download this
I,
app.
I forget like why you are learning English language. You didn't tell me reason. Tell
You
me.
know that basically I'm a mathematics teacher, so teaching in a teaching field, English is very important role. If you teach in English, and also you know that you can there is a different impression. So if you talk something some people in English, so and when you know how can talk to in English, so you connect to more people. If you try to connect more people, then definitely you know the how to connect more people. So English is very important role. That's why I learn about English.
Okay, that's why reason you're trying to learning an English language, because
Uh,
your future plan, like already you are a mathematic teacher, so you want to
yeah,
try to teach in about English. I mean
yeah,
in my English, we can say.
yeah, yeah.
So brother,
Uh,
confusing. Are you teaching like college section and school section?
Yeah, I can teach mathematics in 9 to 12th class. I teach
Okay.
maths.
Okay, that's great. So, I mean, your college, your school, like, is this like convent school and like a Hindi medium and some
No,
kind
no,
of what, what?
it is no, it is English medium school. It is a private school, no, known as Saint Teresa. It is in Lucknow. So in this school, I am teacher. My future aim is to become any government sectors like a KVS or DSSB, any government sectors. I try to teach in government sectors because you know that the there are more equilibrium in government sector as compared to private sector.
Hmm. Okay. Oh, I see.
Uh,
So, brother, like already you have a good environment, atmosphere, and maybe like partner also because you are teaching in English medium. So, if I tell you like professor, teacher over there, maybe they have a good command for English. Am I right?
yeah, 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 yeah.
So, are you
It is.
talking with those people? Are you talking? Are you improving with those people like about English environment, about English language? Are you doing?
Yeah. If you talk, you know that many people are talking in English. If you don't talk in English, because you don't, if you don't talk in English, so you feel that you have less knowledge as compared to others because you don't talk in English on of that people. So
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's happened, brother. No anyone perfect to English language, brother. No anyone. But we always set
you
our mind like if I
yeah,
try to
yeah,
talk with people.
it is a it is a it is a mentality that you know that if you
Yes.
talk any native speaker, they also don't know all the vocabulary words. If you see any BBC news, BBC English, they many native speaker you find out they also don't know vocabulary, most vocabulary words.
Yes, yes. See, before I
So
told you, no anyone perfect to English language.
no one
Everyone
is
make a
perfect.
mistake, we can say. No anyone
Yeah,
perfect.
yeah,
Our mentality always think about like if I try to tell, if I try to talk in front of people, then definitely they will try to kill me, they will try to judge me, they will try to laugh on me. But this is not reality. Right now we are speaking English language. If you try to in front of, so 100% so like whoever in front of those people also thinking about same thing like I can't speak English language. If I try to talk talk with you, definitely you will think. So we can say we are beginner here, we can help each other. If we try
we
to
can.
convey each other like I'm a beginner, you are also beginner, can we discuss about, can we improve together? This is good way to improvement, brother. This is good way. Always
Yeah,
talk more and always practice more, then
yeah,
we will
yeah.
learn.
I try to talk many peoples as so I definitely improve my English. We can say that no anyone has a perfect English because because you say that you are a beginner and I am also a beginner. If I tried day by day, then definitely I improve my English. But you cannot say that one day I perfect in English. Means no one. If you are advanced learner also, no one is perfect. You can you English is
Yeah.
just if you express a thought like what I can say to you. If I am express my thought to you, that's okay.
Yeah, see, we can say English just infinity, brother. Infinity.
Yeah,
Yes, like no boundaries, no limited.
there is
we
no
can
limitation.
we can learn many things. It's infinity, brother. If you enter English totally like deeply, if you go to deeply, here is like nothing stop, nothing limited, no anyone
Yeah,
perfect. You have to learn, always practice, always talk. Like lots of English language we can say like British, Canadian, American, Australian, Indian also. Lots of English we can say. But depend on us like how to be choose one way. how to we learn, how to we practice, how to we struggle. Always
You
practice,
can
brother. Please make a perfect. Always I use this word. If you practice, you will get a result. So talk
you
more,
can
keep
talk.
going.
Uh,
Yeah.
I can say that you can talk any native speaker like who belong to UK or Canada or America.
Yeah, brother. Already I talked around maybe 20 to 23 person. Already I talked, and it was amazing. Sometimes I understand, sometimes I do not understand because they are native Twitter. They have a good command for English language. They can use a fancy word. They can use some new vocabulary. And we are beginner. We do not understand sometimes about accent, about vocabulary, about
Yeah,
pronunciation.
right, right.
So it's very difficulty we can say. But I try. I try because this is just language, brother. If I make a mistake, it's okay. She and he will try to correct me. So that's okay, no problem. So why I'm fearing about English? Nothing. Just remove this.